So this is review exercise and problems on grade 12 mathematics, of course, part 2. Previously, we have done part 1, right? Now, today, we are going to do problems and exercises from your textbook and from different references and from that your national examination. Good. So the first problem of this part 2 is that, of course, this problem is from your textbook, one of the exercise, in the review exercise part of course, chapter 2. Now, find the equation of the tangent and the normal line. Look, the tangent and what? The normal line. So what's required? Required is, look, what is required? Of course, the solution is here. The required is equation of what? Equation of what? Tangent. Equation of tangent and normal line. Normal line. That means once you have got the tangent line, then you are going to find at that point of tangency, you are going to find a line which is perpendicular to that tangent line. Okay. Of the function f of x is equal to what? 1 minus x cubed into radical of what? X plus 2. At what point? At a point x is equal to -1. So find the equation of the tangent in normal lines of f of x is equal to that 1 minus x cubed times radical of x plus 1 at a point x equal to what? -1. So at a point x is equal to -1 discuss ስናደርግ at a point a ብለን የሰራነው ማለት ነው። መጀመሪያ ነገር point of tangency ተሰጥቷል። Point of what? Tangency. What is our point of tangency? Point of tangency ያችን ማለት ነው -1 እና f of -1 ይሄ point of tangency ነው። ታንጀንት ላይን ለዚህ ግራፍ ለዚህ ፈንክሽን ከርቭ ታንጀንት የሚሆንበት ፖይንት what you call it is point of tangency ያችን at a point -1 ስላለ -1 so ይሄ point of tangency አሁን ልብ አድርጉ። ይሄ point of tangency የማን አባል ነው? የታንጀንት የኖርማል ላይን ኖርማል ላይን ማለት the line which is perpendicular to the tangent line of the graph of the given function ማለት እንግዲህ ሰጣችኋል። የዛ ፈንክሽን ግራፍ አለ ወይም ከርቭ አለ። ለዛ ከርቭ ወይም ለዛ ግራፍ ታንጀንት ላይን አለ at that point of tangency then ለዛ ታንጀንት ላይን perpendicular የሆነው line what you call it is normal line to that of the given curve. So point of tangency actually -1 እና f of -1 የማን አባል ነው? የታንጀንት እና the tangent line at the same time the normal line ነው normal line ለሁለቱ አባል ነው what that point of tangency. Good. As I told you previously የማንኛውም ላይን ኢኩዌሽን ለመጻፍ ሁለት መሰረታዊ ነገሮች ያስፈልጋሉ። ምንና ምን? ስሎፕ እና y ኢንተርሴፕት ያስፈልጋል። ስለዚህ ስሎፕ ካገኘን y ኢንተርሴፕት ካገኘን then simply we can write. So let the equation of the tangent line be y is equal to f of x is equal to mx plus b. This is the slope and this b is what? The y intercept. So let the equation of the line be mx plus b. How equation of y is equal to mx. ስለዚህ አሁን ምንድነው የሚያስፈልገን? ስሎፕ ያስፈልገናል፣ y intercept ያስፈልገናል። So first we have to get the slope. Slope ማለት ምን ብለን ዲስከስ አድርገናል? Look, find the equation of tangent line of the function f of x. But at a point of tangency x equal to -1. So the derivative of this function at this point of tangency -1 slope ብለን ዲስከስ አድርገናል። So slope is equal to what? The derivative of the function at a point -1. Okay? Because this -1 is point of tangency. So functionun derivate እናደርግና evaluating that derivative at point of tangency -1 will give you the slope of the tangent line. ስለዚህ አሁን እናደርጋለን ፈንክሽኑን ደሪቬት እናደርጋለን። የተሰጠንን ፈንክሽን ደሪቬት እናደርጋለን። ከዛ በኋላ then at -1 evaluate እናደርጋለን። ያ ያገኘነው ውጤት which is the slope of the tangent line. So which implies what is the derivative of the function? The derivative of the function you just use the product rule. እዚህ ጋር 1 minus x squared አለ or x cubed አለ times radical of ሁለት ፈንክሽኖች አሉ f እና g አለ። So let's use the product rule just to find the derivative of the function. So f derivative using the product rule, this is f ይሄኛውን እንደ g ነው የምትወስዱት so f derivative times g of x plus f times g derivative okay so that will be f derivative my derivative of 1 minus x squared x cubed is negative 3x squared times radical of x plus 2 plus and that's 1 minus x cubed times derivative of g hey chain rule that is chain rule for radical functions ስለዚህ chain rule for radical functions ብዬ ቪዲዮ ሰርቻለሁ በደንብ እዩት so the derivative of this one is what 1 over 2 times radical of x plus 2 that is by chain of course አሁን ይሄን እንደ x plus 2 እንደ g f እንደ radical x so derivative of radical x 1 over 2 radical x x አንጽፈን x plus 2 times derivative of x plus 2 is 1 okay so that will be negative x squared times radical of x plus 2 okay plus this is 1 minus x cubed over 2 into radical of what this is the derivative of the function so this is the derivative of the function look now the derivative of this function evaluated at point of tangency negative 1 is what the slope of what the slope of the tangent line ስለዚህ which is m ነው ማለት ነው so m ዋጋ አገኘን ማለት ነው አሁን ኔጌቲቭ 1 እዚህ ውስጥ አስገባላችሁ so negative 3 times negative 1 the whole squared times radical of negative 1 plus 2 okay good plus እሺ 1 minus negative 1 the whole cubed over radical of negative 1 plus 2 that will be the slope ማለት so that will be negative 3 negative 1 squared is 1 1 times negative 3 negative 1 plus 2 is 1 1 times negative 3 is negative 3 plus negative 1 cubed is negative 1 negative times negative is positive 1 plus 1 is 2 negative 1 plus 2 is 1 1 times 2 so 2 over 2 is 1 so that will be negative so the slope is what the slope of the tangent line is negative okay አሁን ልብ አድርጉ እዚህ ጋር የታንጀንት ላይኑ ስሎፕ ኔጌቲቭ 2 ነው ማለት የፐርፐንዲኩላር ላይኑ ስሎፕስ ምንድነው ልብ አድርጉ አሁን እዚህ ጋር እንጨርሰው ያው look this is slope of what tangent line okay look slope of perpendicular line slope of the normal line slope of the normal means perpendicular slope of the normal line is what slope of the normal line is what look so m1 slope of the tangent line times m2 slope of the perpendicular line that should be negative we say that two lines are perpendicular or normal if the product of their slope is negative 1 that means if the slope of line 1 times the slope of line 2 is negative 1 then the two lines are what perpendicular ስለዚህ tangent line እና ከታንጀንቱ ጋር ኖርማል የሆኑ ላይኖች ሁለት ላይኖች ስላሉ they are perpendicular forming 90 degree then the product of their slope is what negative 1 ስለዚህ አሁን ልብ አድርጉ the slope of the tangent line times the slope of the normal line is negative 1 but the slope of the tangent line is negative 2 times m2 is equal to negative 1 negative talfal so what m2 is equal to what here over 2 ታረጋላችሁ over 2 which is 1 over 2 so 1 over 2 ማለት አሁን የማላየን ነው that is the slope of what the normal what line this is the slope of the normal line barbu negative 2 is the slope of the tangent line to the graph of the given function at the same time the slope of the normal line which is perpendicular to that tangent line at that point of tangency of course is m1 times m2 negative 1 so that will be 1 over 2 so don't forget that the slope of the normal because we have been asked to find the equation of the normal line the normal line equation ስለተጠየቅን ስለዚህ slope ያስፈልገናል good so now let's go back to the steps m1 is equal to negative 2 so what was the equation so equation of the tangent line is what so y is equal to mx plus b so y is equal what is slope the slope is negative 2x plus how ምን አገኘን y is equal to negative 2x plus b b is what the y intercept ስለዚህ የማዋጋው መፈለግ አለብን የb ዋጋ መፈለግ አለብን to find the equation of what the tangent line. So now look, አሁን የቢ ዋጋ ለማግኘት ልብ አድርጉ። የቢ ዋጋ ለማግኘት ቀድመን ብለናል point of tangency ብለን ያገኘነው ማለት what's the point of tangency? The point of tangency to find what? To find the value of b የቢ ዋጋ ለማግኘት point of tangency ያችን what is our point of tangency which is -1 and f of -1 ይሄ ማለት የታንጀንቱም የታንጀንት and የታንጀንት it is a member of the tangent line and the normal line. Okay, so point of tangency ያችን -1 f of -1. Now let's find this point. f of -1 ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? That means እዚህ ውስጥ ነው የምታስገቡት 1 minus x cubed into radical of x plus 2 እዚህ ውስጥ እናስገባው የምናገኘው ውጤት ነው which is 1 minus -1 the whole cubed of course radical of -1 plus 2. So that will be -1 cubed -1 negative times positive 2 times -1 plus 2 is 1 times 1. So look, our f of -1 which is equal to 2 ይሄ ማለት the point of our point of tangency is -1 2. ይሄ point of tangency የማን አባል ነው? የታንጀንት አባል። ልብ አድርጉ፣ የታንጀንትን ብቻ ሳይሆን የኖርማሉም አባል። ስለዚህ ይሄ point of tangency -1 2 በx ቦታ -1 በዋይ ቦታ 2 አስገብተን የማዋጋ እንፈልጋለን፣ የቢ ዋጋ እንፈልጋለን። ኦኬ so which implies look insert this the point -1 2 and in y is equal to what? -2x plus this እናስገባቸዋለን so that will be የዋይ ዋጋ ስንት ነው? ልብ አድርጉ፣ የዋይ ዋጋ ስንት ነው? 2 ነው። so 2 is equal to -2 times the x ዋጋ ስንት ነው? -1 okay plus what? b so that will be -1 times negative times -1 is 2 ወደዚህ ጋር ይመጣል so 2 minus 2 is equal to b so the value of b ምን አገኘን? 0 አገኘን። አሁን ልብ አድርጉ፣ የቢ ዋጋ ስንት አገኘን? 0 አገኘን፣ ስሎፕ አገኘን so equation of the tangent line so which implies therefore equation of the tangent line is what? Equation of the tangent line is y is equal to mx plus b of course. So y is equal to our slope is 2x. Our b is 0, so y is equal to negative. This is the equation of the tangent line. So so equation of the tangent line is what? Tangent line is y is equal to what? -2x. To find the equation of the normal line, slope አግኝተናል ቅድም ልብ አድርጉ because the product of the slope of the tangent line and the normal line is -1. So by that calculation, the slope of the normal line is what? Slope of the normal line ስንት አግኝተናል? 1/2. So the equation becomes what? So equation of the normal line is given by what? Is given by, so the equation of the normal line is given by y is equal to mx plus b. Y is, what is the slope? 1/2x plus b. Remember that point of tangency ቅድም የሰራ ነው the point -1 2 የኖርማል ላይኑም የታንጀንቱ አባል ነው። እዛ ጋር ነው ኢንተርሴክት የሚያደርጉት so that point of tangency which -1 2 የማን አባል ነው? የኖርማል ላይን አባል። it is a member of the normal line. so አሁን ይሄ በኤክስ ቦታ -1 በዋይ ቦታ 2 እናስገባና የማዋጋ እንፈልጋለን፣ የቢ ዋጋ እንፈልጋለን ማለት so -1 በኤክስ ቦታ በዋይ ቦታ 2 2 is equal to 1/2 times -1 plus b ይሄን ወደዚህ ጋር ታመጣላችሁ 1/2 times -1 is -1/2 ወደዚህ ጋር ሲመጣ ፖዚቲቭ ይሆናል so the value of b is equal to 2 plus 1/2 so which is 5/2 therefore so equation of the normal line is given by what? Y is equal to 1/2x plus 5/2. Okay? So equation of the tangent line is y is equal to -2x and equation of the normal line is y is equal to 1 over 2x plus 5 over 2 ቼክ አድርጉ። ስንደምር ስናባዛ ስንቀንስ ምናልባት ከተሳሳትን arithmetic parቱን ቼክ አድርጉ። So the second problem, if the function x squared plus x plus b and g of x, x cubed minus c have the same tangent line at 1, 2, at the point 1, 2. Find a and b and the normal lines of this f and g. Good. አሁን ምንድነው የሚለው? f of x እና g of x ምን አላቸዋል? The same tangent line አላቸው. At what? At 1, 2. That means the same tangent line አላቸው ማለት the slope is the same ማለት. The slope of the tangent lines are the same ማለት. ስለዚህ ስሎፓቸውን ነው የምንፈልገው ማለት. Okay? So the solution is look, since they have the same tangent line, since they have the same, look, since they have the same tangent line at what? At x is equal to, this is point of tangency, don't forget, at x is equal to 1. Since they have the same tangent line at x equal to 1, therefore, so slope 1, that means m1 is equal to m2. That means m1 is the slope of the tangent line of the graph of the function f of x, and m2 is the slope of the tangent line of the graph of g of x, which is x cubed minus c. So the f of x graph tangent line now. The g of x graph tangent line and አይነት ነው ማለት ስሎፓቸው አንድ ነው ማለት ነው። So m1 is equal to what? m2 m1 ማለት first derivative of the function at 1 ማለት ነው ልባሉ equal m2 ማለት ደግሞ g derivative of the function at 1 ማለት so g derivative at 1 ስለዚህ they have the same tangent line means the slope of the tangent lines are the same. Okay, you know that the slope is the derivative of the function first derivative at that point of tangency. So what is f derivative? F derivative ማለት 2x plus ax n. So f derivative means 2x plus a should be equal to g derivative means what? 3x squared. ስለዚህ አሁን f ውስጥ f derivative ውስጥ 1 g derivative ውስጥ ደግሞ እናስገባለን 1 እናስገባለን. Okay, so that will be 2 times a is 1 plus a is equal to 3 times 1 squared is 1 times 3 is 3. ስለዚህ 2 times 1 is 2, 2 plus a ምን አገኘን አሁን 2 plus a is equal to what? 3. So እቺን ወደዚህ ጋር ታረጋላችሁ a ዋጋ ምን አገኘን 3 minus 2 which is 1. So the value of a is what? 1 አገኘን. So a ዋጋ 1 አገኘን ማለት ነው ልባርኩ አሁን ምን ይሆናል? So f of x becomes what is f of x? f of x is what? x squared plus በa ቦታ 1 ታስገባላችሁ x plus b. አሁን ልባርኩ እዚህ ጋር ምን አለን? ፖይንት ኦፍ ታንጀንሲ a ፖይንት ኦፍ ታንጀንሲ የኤፍ እና የጂ አባል ነው። የታንጀንት ላይን አባል ነው። የኖርማል ላይንም አባል ነው። ሶ አሁን ይሄ ፖይንት this point that means point of tangency what is that is 1 2 is the member of what? f and g. በነገራችን የኤፍ አባል ነው፣ የጂ አባል ነው፣ የኖርማል ላይን አባል ነው፣ የታንጀንት ላይን አባል ነው። So that will be በኤክስ ቦታ 1 ታስገባላችሁ እዚህ ጋር so f of 1 is equal to what? 2 መሆን አለበት። at the same times g of 1ም ስንት መሆን አለበት? 2 መሆን አለበት ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ 1 2 የf of x አባል ነው፣ የg of x አባል ስለሆነ በf ውስጥ በx ቦታ 1 ስናስገባ 2 g ውስጥ ደግሞ በx ቦታ 1 ስናስገባ 2 so f ውስጥ እናስገባው መጀመሪያ this is 1 squared plus 1 plus b should be equal to 2 at the same times g ውስጥ ደግሞ ታስገቡታላችሁ where is g? g is here so እዚህ ጋር ታስገቡታላችሁ 1 cubed minus c should be equal to 2 ስለዚህ አሁን ምን አገኘን ማለት ነው then 1 square is 1 1 plus 1 is 2 2 plus b is equal to 2 so 2 plus b is equal to 2 at the same times 1 cubed is 1 1 minus c is equal to 2 ማለት and እዚህ ጋር ታረጋላችሁ ወይም b እዚህ ጋር ወይም ደግሞ b ወደዛ ጋር so b is equal to 2 minus 2 at the same times negative c is equal to 2 minus 1 ይሆናል ማለት is 0 so the value of b is 0 and negative c is equal to 1 ነው ማለት so c is equal to negative 1 okay ስለዚህ ምን አገኘን ማለት ነው ባርጉ so the value of a is 1 b is 0 and the value of c is what? Negative 1 አገኘን ማለት ነው The next is find the normal line. So find the normal line, find the tangent line. Okay, so መጀመሪያ ምንድነው የምታደርጉት? Slope ነው የምታደርጉት. So what is the derivative of the function? The first derivative of the function is what? This is 2x plus the a ዋጋ አንድ አግኝተናል. The derivative of x is what? Which is 1. And the derivative of g is what? 3x squared. So point of tangency at 1 to other. So slope of the tangent line. Slope, that means slope m1, which is the slope of tangent line. Slope of the tangent line is given by what? So which is f derivative at 1. So which is f derivative at 1 ማለት እዚህ ውስጥ ምን ታስገባላችሁ? 1 2 times 1 is 2 2 plus which is 3. So the slope is 3 ማለት ነው። አሁን slope 3 አለን. And for this one g at 1, which is the slope is what? 3 times 1 squared, so g derivative at 1 is which is of course a slope. So the equation of the tangent line is given by what? Equation of tangent line is what? Y is equal to mx plus b. So y is equal to what's our m? Our m is 3x plus b. So አሁን የቢ ዋጋ ለማግኘት ልባርጉ በx እና በy ቦታ በx ቦታ 1 በy ቦታ 2 ታስገቡና የኢኩዌሽን ኦፍ ታንጀንት ላይን ታገኛላችሁ። ይሄንን ስሩት። ኖርማል ላይን ኢኩዌሽን ኦፍ ኖርማል ላይን ለማግኘት ፈርስት ስሎፕ ኦፍ ዘ ኖርማል ላይን ኦኬ what is the slope of the normal line? What is the slope of the normal line? Slope of normal line ማግኘት አለበት። So you know that since the tangent line and the normal line are perpendicular to each other, forming 90 degrees, then the slope of the tangent line times the slope of the normal line is -1. ስለዚህ slope of normal line ማለት ነው -1 over slope of tangent line ማለት which is -1 over slope of what? Tangent line. So that will be -1 over what is the slope of the tangent line? The slope of tangent line is 3, so -1 over 3. So the equation becomes what? Therefore, equation of the normal line becomes what? Y is equal to mx. What's our slope? -1 over 3x plus b. ስለዚህ አሁን ይሄን ካገኛችሁ በኋላ ይባሉ ይሄ point of tangency, the point of tangency 1 2 የዚህ አባል ስለሆነ በx ቦታ 1 በy ቦታ 2 ታስገቡና ያው በደንብ አዳምጡ። በx ቦታ 1 በy ቦታ 2 ስታስገባው ምን ይሆናል? እስቲ በy ቦታ 2 is equal to -1 over 3 times 1 plus b. አሁን የቢ ዋጋ አገኛችሁ። የቢ ዋጋ ስንት አገኛችሁ? 2 plus 1 over 3 ይሄን ትደምራላችሁ። ከዛ እዚህ ጋር that is the equation of what? The normal line. That is the equation of the normal. So the equation of the normal line becomes what? Y is equal to -1 over 3x. የቢ ዋጋ ምን አገኘን? 1 over 3 እዚህ ጋር then 7 over 3 I think plus 7 over 3 ቼክ አድርጉት። ይሄ 2 ሲደመር 1 3ኛ 3 የጋራ አለ 6 ምናምን ነገር. So the equation of the normal line is y is equal to -1 over 3 plus 7 over 3. ስለዚህ በጥንቃቄ ቀስ እያላችሁ እናንተ ነጭ ወረቀት ላይ ራፍሊ ሐሳቡን ከወሰዳችሁ በኋላ ደጋግማችሁ ስሩት። ከዛ ቁጥር እየቀየራችሁ መስራት ነው። The next problem. Let f of x is equal to, look. Let f of x is equal to x cubed plus px plus q be a function. Okay, the function is given. What is the function? F of x is equal to x squared plus px plus what? Q. Find, this is a polynomial function. Good. Find the value of p and q such that f of 1 is equal to 3. Look, f of 1 is equal to 3 is what? Extreme value. No, look on the extreme value. This is the extreme value. Okay. Extreme, whether it is maximum or minimum, we don't know. That we are going to check. It's extreme value on the interval on 0 to. አሁን ምንድነው ማስታወስ ያለባችሁ መስላችሁ? ዲስከስ ስናደርግ on the interval AB ሎካል ማክሲመም እና ሎካል ሚኒመም ወይም ኤክስትሪም ቫልዩ ስንፈልግ ምንድነው ያደርግነው? መጀመሪያ ክሪቲካል ነምበር እንፈልግ። ክሪቲካል ነምበር ማለት first derivative is equal to 0 or first derivative doesn't exist. ከዛ ከክሪቲካል ነምበሮቹ መካከል ኢንተርቫል ውስጥ ያለው ቁጥርን ወስድና then the value of the function at the critical numbers and at the end point is a and b እንፈልግና the maximum is local maximum, the minimum is local minimum ብለናል። that's all። አሁን ልባርጉ እዚች ጋር it is a polynomial function ስለሆነ ስለዚህ አሁን critical number ነው የምንፈልገው ማለት look since the given function is polynomial function ስለሆነ ዶሜኑ ኦር ሪል ነምበር ስለሆነ ዴሪቬት ከተደረገን በኋላ የምናገኘው ፖሊኖሚያል ፈንክሽን ስለሆነ ስለዚህ ክሪቲካል ነምበር የምንፈልገው ፈርስት ዴሪቬቲቭ is equal to 0 የሚያደርጉ ቁጥሮችን ነው። ፈርስት ዴሪቬቲቭ doesn't exist የሚያደርጉ ቁጥሮች የሉም because the domain is all real number። ስለዚህ f at 1 extreme value ነው ማለት ኤንድ ፖይንቶቹ 0 እና 2 ናቸው። አንድ ደግሞ እዚህ ውስጥ ያለው ልባሩ። ስለዚህ at 1 extreme value አለው ማለት first derivative at 1አችን 0 ነው። that means critical number ነው ማለት critical number ነው ማለት 1 is the critical number ነው ማለት okay 1 is a critical number and critical number ነው ማለት ለምን because ፈንክሽናችን at 1 ላይ extreme value አለው ተብሏል። extreme value ማለት ምንድነው ብለናል? extreme value ለመፈለግ ፈንክሽኑን ደሪቬት እናደርግና critical number እንፈልግ። critical number first derivative at equal 0 or first derivative doesn't exist ነው። First derivative doesn't exist ለዚህ አይሰራም because the function is polynomial, its derivative is polynomial, the domain is all real number። ስለዚህ f at 1 extreme value ነው ማለት ስለዚህ first derivative at 1 0 ነው። በሌላ አነጋገር 1 is the critical number of the function. 1 is the critical number of that means 1 is the critical number of the function ነው ማለት so first derivative ምን መሆን አለበት? 0 መሆን መቻል አለበት። Why? Because 1 is a critical number. Why it's critical number? Because the function has extreme value at 3. At 1. The function has extreme value at 1, which is 3. So what's the derivative of the function? The derivative function is 2x plus derivative of this one is p. So this is the derivative of the function. First derivative of the function. So here first derivative of the function at 1 ምን መሆን አለበት? 0 መሆን አለበት። 1 እዚህ ጋር ታስገባላችሁ 2 times 1 is 1 2 times 1 is 2 plus p is so ምን አገኘን 2 plus b ምን አገኘን ማለት ነው which is 0 so the value of p is negative 2 አገኘን። አሁን የp ዋጋ ምን አገኘን ማለት ነው negative 2 አገኘን። ልባል ነው የp ዋጋ negative 2 አሁን ፈንክሽኑ ምን ሆነ ማለት ነው so the function becomes what x squared plus የp ዋጋ ምን አገኘን negative 2 okay so negative 2x plus q ሌላ ደግሞ መረጃ ተሰጥቷል። ምን አይነት መረጃ ተሰጥቷል? ልባሉ f of 1 ማለት 3 ነው ተብሏል። እዚህ ጋር ሎካል ኤክስትሪም ቫልዩ ቢሆንም f of 1 ሎካል ኤክስትሪም ቫልዩ ቢሆንም ግን f of 1 ማለት 3 ነው። ስለዚህ ፈንክሽናችን ውስጥ በx ቦታ 1 ሲገባ ምን ይሰጣል? 3 ይሰጣል። so f of 1 3 ነው ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? በx ቦታ 1 ታስገባላችሁ 1 square minus 2 times 1 plus q that should be equal to 3 ስለዚህ የማዋጋ እንፈልጋለን እናገኛለን የq ዋጋ so that will be 1 square is 1 minus 2 plus q is equal to 3 so the q ዋጋ ለማግኘት q is equal to 3 1 minus 2 is negative 1 ወደዛ ጋር ሲሆን positive 1 ይሆናል so the value of q is what 4 የq ዋጋ so የp ዋጋ the value of p is negative 2 and the value of q is what 4 ስለዚህ አሁን ፈንክሽናችን ምን ሆነ ማለት ነው the function becomes what x squared plus x squared plus minus 2x plus 4. This is the function, okay? Now, so if this maximum or minimum value ብሏል ስለዚህ ምንድነው የምናደርገው አሁን ልባርጉ f of 1 at the end points f of 0 f of 2 extreme value መፈለግ ማለት critical number እንፈልግና critical number ላይ እዛ ኢንተርቫል ውስጥ ያለ critical number ወስደን ማለት ነው critical number እና end ፖይንቶች ላይ ቼክ እናደርግና ትልቁ maximum ትንሹ ሚኒመም so check the value of these values f of 0 because the end points of the interval f of 2 and f of 1 ስንት አገኘን f of 1 is 3 አሁን f of 0 ማለት 0 አስገቡ 0 0 ሲገባ which is 4 f of 2 square is 2 which is 4 so look አሁን ልባርጉ ፈንክሽናችን 0 እና 2 ላይ 4 4 ስለሆነ so ፈንክሽናችን 0 እና 2 ላይ ምን አለው ሎካል ማክሲመም ቫልዩ አለው ፈንክሽናችን አንድ ላይ 3 ስለሆነ ከ4 ስለሚያንስ ሎካል ሚኒመም ቫልዩ so this is the local minimum value this is the local minimum value so f of 1 is equal to 3 is the local minimum value of the function አሁን ልባሩ ይሄ ጥያቄ የመጣበት ዋና ዓላማ ኤክስትሪም ቫልዩ የምንፈልግበትን ስቴፕ በደንብ እንደርስታንድ ታደርጉ ስለዚህ ኤክስትሪም ቫልዩ ስንፈልግ ምን እናደርጋለን? ክሪቲካል ነምበር እንፈልጋለን። ፈርስት ደሪቬቲቭ ዜሮ የሚያደርገው ኦር doesn't exist then ካገኘናቸው ክሪቲካል ነምበሮች መካከል ኢንተርቫል ውስጥ የተሰጠ ኢንተርቫል ውስጥ ያለውን ወስድና then the value of the function at the criticals and at the end points check evaluate እናደርግና the maximum is local maximum value, the minimum is local minimum value. So the next problem, pure water enterprises find that the marginal profit from drilling a well that is x feet deep is given by p derivative of x is equal to fifth root of x. Find the profit when the well 250 feet deep is drilled. Okay. Now look, pure water enterprise አለ ምርት ሰጥቶናል። marginal profit ሰጥቶናል። So look the solution. Okay. What is given? Given that the marginal profit of the water enterprise is given, of course, which is p derivative of it. That means the derivative of the profit function. Anyway, which is the fifth root of x. አሁን ባለፈ ካልኩለስ ኢን ቢዝነስ ኤንድ ኢኮኖሚክስ በሚለው ቱቶሪያል ክላስ ላይ በሰራሁት ቪዲዮ ላይ ኮስት ፈንክሽን ከተሰጠን፣ ሬቨኒው ፈንክሽን ከተሰጠን፣ ፕሮፊት ፈንክሽን ከተሰጠን እነዚህ ማርጂናል ኮስት፣ ማርጂናል ሬቨኒው፣ ማርጂናል ፕሮፊት እንዴት ማግኘት እንዳለባችሁ ተነጋግረናል። you just take the derivative of cost function, you just take the derivative of revenue function and profit function to find the marginal parts. in case marginal ፓርቶቹ ደግሞ ከተሰጣችሁ ብያችኋለሁ። ኦኬ ለምሳሌ ኮስት ፈንክሽን ማነው ማርጂናል ኮስት ሰጥቶ ኮስት ፈንክሽን ከተጠየቀ፣ ማርጂናል ሬቨኒው ተሰጥቶ ሬቨኒው ፈንክሽን ከተጠየቀ፣ ማርጂናል ፕሮፊት ተሰጥቶ ደግሞ ሬቨኒው ፈንክሽን ከተጠየቃችሁ ምንድነው የምታደርጉት? እነዛ ማርጂናል ፈንክሽኖቹ ምን ታደርጋላችሁ? you just take the integral of that marginal functions ብለን ዲስከስ አድርገናል። ቪዲዮውን ደጋግማችሁ እዩት። ናው ስለዚህ አሁን እዚህ ጋር ምን ተሰጠን? ማርጂናል ፕሮፊት ፈንክሽን ተሰጥቶናል which is what the fifth root of x. good ስለዚህ አሁን የግድ 250 ላይ 300 ፊት ላይ 200 ፊት ላይ 20 ፊት ላይ 30 ፊት ላይ የመሳሰሉትን በሙሉ ፓርቲኩላር ፖይንት ላይ ለማግኘት መጀመሪያ ፕሮፊት ፈንክሽኑ ኦሪጂናል ፕሮፊት ፈንክሽኑን ማግኘት መቻል አለብን። ስለዚህ ማርጂናል ፕሮፊት ፈንክሽን ተሰጥቶናል። ፕሮፊት ፈንክሽን አልተሰጠንም። ፕሮፊት ፈንክሽን ማግኘት አለብን። ፕሮፊት at 150 ፕሮፊት at 200 ፕሮፊት at 300 የመሳሰሉትን ለመስራት መጀመሪያ ፕሮፊት ፈንክሽኑን ማግኘት መቻል አለብን። so first let's find the profit function. What is the profit function of this problem or this pure water enterprise? Okay, so from the previous discussion, the profit function of this problem is the integral of the marginal profit function with respect to x, of course. So which is the integral of what is the marginal profit function? Which is a fifth root of what? Radical x dx. So this is power function, the integral of power function, remember? So that will be the fifth root of, this is fifth root. So the fifth root of x means what? The integral of x the power of 1 over 5 dx. So the profit function is the integral of x the power of 1 over 5 is what? By that our rule. So the integral of 1 over 5 is what? x the power of 1 over 5 plus 1 over 1 over 5 plus 1. Of course plus c, which is. So the power function is given by what? 1 over 5 plus 5, 1 is I think 6 over 5, 6 over 5. እነዚህ ጥቃቅን መደመሮች መቀነስ ምናምን የመሳሰሉት ነገሮች እናንተ ወረቀታችሁ ላይ ቼክ እያደረጋችሁ ስሩ በደንብ አድርጋችሁ ነው። So be take care of that. Anyway, this is x the power of 6 over 5 over 6 over 5 plus c. So that profit function is given by here 6 አምስተኛ ነው ወደ ላይ ሲወጣ ምን ይሆናል? 5 6ኛ x the power of 6 over 5 plus what? c. This is the profit function. አሁን ልባርጉ እዚህ ጋር this profit function is given by 5 over 6 x the power of 6 plus c. This constant of integration particular value ስለጠየቀን እዚህ ጋር ያው find the profit when a well 250 350 450 ያለ ጠይቀን particular value ስለሚጠይቀን particular profit ስለሚጠይቀን የሲ ዋጋ ማግኘት መቻል አለብን። የሲ ዋጋ ለማግኘት ደግሞ ምን ያስፈልገናል? we need to have initial conditions. What are the initial conditions? Initial condition ያስፈልገናል። initial condition ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? ዲፓርት p as a function of x ነው። x ደግሞ in what? in feet ተብሎ እዚህ ጋር ተሰጥቶናል። x feet ሲቆፈር ወደታች ጉድጓዱ ማለት ነው። So what will be the profit when that x is 0? That means የx ዋጋ 0 ሲሆን የኤክስ ዋጋ 0 ሲሆን ምንም ጉድጓድ ሳይቆፈር ማለት ሳይጀመር ገና ኢኒሺያሊ ጉድጓድ ቁፋሮ ሳይጀመር ኢኒሺያሊ when the value of x is 0 what was the profit is 0 okay P of 0 is 0 why because look a pure water enterprise ትርፉ directly depend የሚያደርገው on drilling a well ነው The profit of pure water enterprise directly depends on drilling of a well which is in what? In feet. ስለዚህ የኤክስ ዋጋ 0 ሲሆን ምንም ጉድጓድ ሳይቆፈር then the profit that means P of 0 is 0. The profit at the starting point is 0. So this 0 በኤክስ ቦታ ታስገባላችሁ እዚህ ጋር በኤክስ ቦታ ታስገቡና P of x is equal to this ስለሆነ በኤክስ ቦታ ስናስገባ so which implies P of 0 is equal to this ጋር ታስገባላችሁ 5 over 6 times 0 the power of 6 over 5 plus c that should be 0 so automatically ሲ ዋጋ ምን አገኘን 0 so P of x profit functionአችን ስንት አገኘን ማለት ነው which is 5 over 6 x the power of 6 over 5 አገኘን ማለት አሁን እናንተ ምን ታደርጋላችሁ profit function አገኘን አይደል 5 over 6 times x the power of 6 over 5 ስለዚህ አሁን ምን ታደርጉኝ አሁን እናንተ find the profit when a well 250 እዚህ ጋር ታስገባላችሁ P of 250 okay P of 250 P of 200 P of 300 P of 20 P of 40 የተለያየ ቁጥር ሊጠይቅ ስለሚችል ቀጥታ ጥያቄ ብቻ ላይሆን ይችላል 250 ፊት 300 ፊት 400 ፊት 500 ፊት እያለ ሊጠይቅ ስለሚችል ስለዚህ በኤክስ ያስገባችሁ ስራላችሁ so what is P of 250 5 over 6 times 250 the power of 6 over 5 is the next simplification ስለሆነ simplify አድርጉት 250 እዚህ ጋር ታስገባላችሁ አሁን 250 ብቻ አይደለም 300 ቢሆን 400 ቢሆን 150 ቢሆን 50 ቢሆን 40 ቢሆን እያረጋችሁ ያስገባችሁ simplify ማድረግ ነው